Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by freeing resources now, do not delay. Restart your Mac because a reboot clears temporary caches and hung apps. This often fixes slowdowns instantly. Once done, open Finder and check available disk space. Make room if you're below 15% free. Next, launch Activity Monitor and sort by CPU and memory to find the biggest culprits. You'll use that list to quit or update troublesome apps, and to decide whether a deeper cleanup or storage move is needed. You now act on the data from Activity Monitor. Quit or force quit the top offenders. If an app repeatedly spikes CPU, update or reinstall it. Next, remove unnecessary login items to stop apps from launching at startup, because each auto-launch consumes CPU and memory. Run Disk Utility First Aid to repair disk errors, and clear browser caches and large downloads to reclaim storage. Make sure to empty the trash and restart again. That ensures file system changes and cache clears take effect. You finish by addressing deeper system layers. If you have an Intel Mac, reset the SMC and NVRAM to resolve power, fan, and performance quirks. For Apple Silicon, a shutdown and restart handles similar issues. Make sure Mac OS is fully updated so performance patches and firmware are applied. If lag persists, boot into safe mode to isolate extensions, or create a new user account to see if the issue is profile-specific. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, note error behavior and contact Apple support with diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.